everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn innovative recycling technologies. Innovative recycling technologies help turn old things into new products. Machines can now sort different types of plastic automatically. Special devices can recycle electronics like phones and computers. Some technologies turn food waste into compost quickly. There are machines that can turn old clothes into new fabric. Advanced methods can recycle used tires into new rubber. New technologies can even recycle dirty or mixed plastics. Some places use robots to help sort and recycle materials. Innovative recycling helps save natural resources and energy. These technologies make recycling easier and more effective for everyone. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.